What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we have a cool gift. Now you can gift this to your mom, or you can gift this to your grandmother or whoever. Gift it to your wife. She will probably love this thing. This thing is a glass LED candle, okay? Glass LED, well, candles. It should be 3 of them in here. So this is simulated black wick, 3D flickering flame. This thing has a timer on it. You can do 2, 4, 6, and 8. All right, 2, 4, 6, 8 hours of time, and you can control this by remote control. Let's go ahead and get into the goodies. This is well packaged. You have 1, 2, and 3. This also comes in different colors, but this is what the company sent out to me, black. This feels like good quality, you guys. This don't feel cheap at all. As far as the remote goes, we are going to slip off the battery plastic right here. So you do need AAA batteries with this. All right, batteries. All right, you guys, so we are going to go ahead and turn these things on, and this looks very nice, you guys. Now you can set this any type of way. If you want to be romantic with your wife and, you know, your husband or whoever, that's very nice right there. All right, so you have a timer on here. You can set a 2-hour timer, 4-hour timer, 6-hour timer, 8-hour timer. Now the only thing with this is, if you set a 2-hour timer, you press it, but you don't really know if it's set or not, okay? So you would just have to press it and just go with that. So that's the only thing. When you set 8 hours, there's nothing that indicates that it's 8 hours, so we'll just leave that alone, okay? You have mode. You have candle mode and you have light mode. So we're gonna hit candle. Candle mode is like that. I'm gonna go ahead and hit mode light. So right there, right beside it, there's a light mode. So let's hit light, see what happens. So I clicked it once and one is still flickering. Okay, so you definitely have to aim it at each candle. All right, now you can set the dim on this. So that one dimmed. All right, you just aim it at one candle and see if it just work at one candle at a time. Let's go ahead. All right, so as you can see, the sensor from the remote works on this candle. All right, so it is sensitive when you aim it at a certain candle. Oh, sorry, y'all are out of range, most definitely. So let me go ahead and brighten this all the way bright, all the way bright. Okay, so let me go ahead and put this over here behind me so y'all can see. I'm gonna put this one in the front. All right, so let's go ahead and hit candle mode. Okay, so when I hit candle mode, all 3 did go. Let me hit candle again. I'm at light. All right, light went. Dim it. All right. So they all 3 dimmed at the same time. I was seeing if you can separate it. I will do another test separating them. Now I'm going to show y'all what this thing look like when the lights off. All right, you guys, so this is what it looks like with the lights off. Let's go ahead and put our candle effect. Now when I hit candle effect, it did it on 2 of them. Let me hit it again. Once I hit it again, it did it on 3 of them. I hit my light. The light went on all 3. Hit candle again. All right, so I guess this is very sensitive to the candles, the remote. Hit light. I'm gonna dim it. Max. All right, let me put this in the room real quick so y'all can see what it looked like at a distance. Candle mode. Gives it the fire effect. Put the other ones on. Candle. Yup. So you can control one at a time with the remote. You have to aim it at the candle though. Let me try this one. Yep. All right, so now that we know we can control each one individually, this is definitely a plus. Just in case you want one candle in every room, you never know. Even the electric could go off It could be a thunderstorm outside, and this is your source of light. You will love it. This will be in the link below, and also this will be on my Amazon storefront. Other than that, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next video.